Welcome to Nandakchi channel. In this episode, I'm gonna make a date-filled cinnamon roll for you. Let's get started. Lukewarm milk. Lukewarm water. Sugar. Softened butter. Stir well to dissolve. Beat 2 eggs well and then add them. Continue mixing until completely gets smooth. Flour. Active yeast. Salt. Vanilla. Improver. Mix together. Pour the liquid ingredient. Mix thoroughly. Knead well for a while. You can use an electric mixer to beat quickly. Let it rest for an hour. Sugar. Cinnamon powder. Mix together. Punch the dough to get the air inside. Divide into 3 pieces. Make them ball. Spread out each piece with the rolling pin. Brush the dough with some melted butter. Add the mixture of sugar and cinnamon. Crushed date paste. Roll the dough slowly. Divide into 6 or 7 pieces. Place in the oven tray. Brush them with egg. Add almond flakes. Bake for 25 minutes at 180 degrees Celsius or 360 degrees Fahrenheit. Okay, that's all for today. Enjoy your fresh rolls. Thank you for watching and happy baking.